The ASLRRA Environmental Award recognizes a short line railroad that has designed and enacted the most innovative and successful environmental initiative in the small railroad industry. The program must reduce the company's environmental impact or contribute to meeting sustainability goals for the railroad or the shipper. This year, ASLRRA has selected Sierra Northern Railway as the winner of the 2024 Environmental Award. The SNR's Inland Port and Transload Facility is a groundbreaking development in freight movement in California's Central Valley. The facility has access to some of the most abundant agricultural areas of California, as well as being fully linked to the ports on the West Coast.
I've lived in the California Central Valley my entire life, 58 years of it, and it's known as the breadbasket of the world, where a lot of the fruit and nuts and agriculture is grown for the entire world. We were looking for a way to efficiently move the nuts and some of the agricultural products quickly by rail to compete against trucks. They had been moving them from the Central Valley to the Port of Oakland via truck on some of the highways and some of the most congested highways of California. And so we were looking to take that product off the road and put it on rail and clean up the environment.
Prioritizing environmental stewardship with regional partners has led to an increased interest in rail and intermodal freight to vastly reduce local air pollution.
Through this intermodal facility, we're building a freight triangle. Freight of all kinds, consumer goods will be leaving Asia by container ship all the way to the southeast of the United States, the Memphis area. And then those containers will be emptied, refilled with feed product, mainly cottonseed, for the dairy farmers in the Central Valley in Oakdale, which normally would come by truck, it's coming by rail. Containers again will be one more time emptied, and they will be filled with nuts, fruit, and other agricultural products destined for Asia. They'll leave Oakdale by rail directly to the port of LA, where they'll get on a ship.
In a single year of operations, the facility will move 20,000 truckloads to rail. Truck miles and their associated emissions will be drastically reduced. Traffic congestion will be reduced, and air quality will improve for some of the most impacted communities. The SNR will be the first short line in California to build and operate a zero-emission hydrogen fuel cell locomotive.
Sierra Northern has been working for the last 2 or 3 years on the first of its kind hydrogen hybrid switching locomotive. We received a grant from the California Energy Commission to build this demonstration unit. It'll be up in operation next month and be in full test mode sometime this summer. Our goals are to continue to find greener forms of locomotive transportation. The hydrogen fuel cells are the first step, but we've got a long ways to go to replace the diesel. So I'm excited that we are working on that Sierra Northern is the leader in the world when it comes to the switcher locomotives. And I'm excited to see that we're converting more freight by truck to rail. And so they kind of fit well together. All of this work, both in the intermodal facility as well as the hydrogen fuel cell locomotive, wouldn't be possible without an amazing team of railroaders that I work with. I've got a team of approximately 100 folks that are all committed. We're all headed in the same direction. We want to move freight efficiently, and we want to move freight environmentally friendly. So I can't say enough about my team. They make me look good.
Congratulations to Sierra Northern Railway.